Hello YouTube, Salivate Metal here, and as we gaze upon this very soft and cuddly kitty, many of you may have noticed that gold and silver has really taken a hit lately and gone down dramatically in price. But to keep things in perspective, we see here that this 1910 St. Gaudens double gold eagle gold coin here was much less not too long ago in price, and we will never see those prices again because of the inflation of the dollar and the like. But nonetheless, at the time, even it was greatly undervalued, and I believe that gold and silver today is greatly undervalued, especially silver. But we will keep pressing on because we know that no matter the price of gold and silver, they are valuable, and they will maintain their value no matter what. Because when there's economic instability, when there's geopolitical indecision and strife, the ultimate safe haven is gold and silver, specifically. So here we see this silver prospector 1 ounce round for $8.50 and a half ounce for $4.25. So it's very, very interesting to see these prices, especially today, keeping things in perspective. Just like gas and oil going up, gold and silver have gone up. And of course, many of you may remember the days of 99-cent gas. And those days are long gone. And now we salivate for $2 and some odd cent gas. Just the same is with gold and silver. But I believe that other than oil, gold and silver are mainstays. We may find alternative forms of energy that could one day replace oil. But gold and silver can never be replaced. In fact, silver is being used more and more in electronics and in industry and biomedical uses, and gold as well. So not only is it a valuable commodity, but it is money. And who knows, maybe one day it'll be currency again, but nevertheless, it is valuable just like this very soft and cuddly kitty. So take heart, and I hope that when prices do go down even further, they very well could, as there is, as of the recording of this video, there is instability in Ukraine, but tensions have eased a bit there, and we have a bit of a stronger dollar. Now that stronger dollar could be, and I believe it is artificial, just like I believe the low prices for gold and silver are artificial. But no matter where we are at in history, if you come back to this video, everything remains the same. Gold and silver are a constant. And just as in my video that I mentioned, that I talked about that silver will never increase in value, I still believe that today, that gold and silver will just maintain their value. But I believe both are undervalued today. And no matter what the dollar does, and no matter what the economy does, gold and silver just has different levels of recognition of value. And the markets, they don't determine anything when it comes to gold and silver. What determines gold and silver is history and precedent that has lasted since before 700 BC. And throughout history, gold and silver has been maintained as value from the kings of ancient lands dating far back in time, to the pharaohs and the like, to ISIS taking over the central bank of Mosul and taking millions of dollars worth of gold out of the central bank. Even they see the value of gold. As gold and silver have been treasured for centuries, it is a symbol of status and of power in many cultures and among the elite. But when these prices fall, as they have been lately, it gives the common man more opportunity to acquire both gold and silver to preserve their wealth. And preservation of wealth truly is power. So do not be discouraged when you see the prices of gold and silver fall as they have, but rather take advantage and acquire more as you can afford. Because we know, as precious metals investors that gold and silver are a constant, and the stock market is psychologically driven, and there's nothing to back it up. But we have these entities, these hard assets of gold and silver, to back us up and to preserve our wealth. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you are encouraged by it. I would like to extend a multitude of gratitude to you all for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe.